In almost every homestead, there are leftover drugs. Some have been kept away for years. When patients heal or those with chronic conditions die, their drugs stay on.
Dawa zimekuwa hata nyingi kwa nyumba.
On many occasions, they are flushed down the toilet or thrown into the dustbin.
Then the people who come to collect us, they just come and collect together with that. Where they go dispose, whether it's a Dandora dump site or wherever. And when you go to maybe a dump site, you'll see maybe there are cattle grazing there, goats, sheep, pigs, which later end up being people's food. So when you eat that kind of food, you also get a lot of antibiotics in your body. Then when you go to the hospital, when you prescribe those particular antibiotics, you find that your body has already developed resistance to those antibiotics.
Drug resistance is now a serious concern for medics worldwide. Great inventions like the penicillin drug have had to be remodified over and over again to counter resistance owing to misuse or exposure in the environment.
Our worry is right now, the pace of the resistance by the bacteria is faster than the research of new antibiotics. Wow. So if nothing is done about resistance of antibiotics right now worldwide, it's only a matter of a few years you get diagnosed a particular bacteria infection. But you go to the hospital, you are given even the strongest antibiotic or the latest, and you can't get treated with it, you can't be cured. So that means, in essence, you'll just die.
With scientists fearing the worst could soon happen, the Pharmaceutical Society of Kenya is reaching out to the general population to help them slow down this worrying trend by simply giving up unused or expired drugs for safe disposal.
Every pharmacy has kept a carton somewhere written expired drugs. Then we'll collect all of them after 1 month from all our members countrywide. We are going to liaise with NEMA and the Pharmacy and Poison Board, the regulator, to now destroy them ethically, which is through incineration.
The campaign to mop up drugs from households has started in earnest. Some families have already heeded the call, bringing back evidently expired drugs.
It's usually white. If you check, the powder is white. When you mix, it's still white. You see now this is brown. Huh? Some people keep it in the house saying one day someone might have a similar condition. Then they make a mistake. When they see a condition, they think it's similar, but on diagnosis you might find it's totally different thing. They say, Abu, try this one. Drugs are only supposed to be kept in two places. Either in your body because you have taken it, or with the pharmacies. You're not supposed to have them.
Is it possible, though, that some pharmacists could be mischievous and resell these drugs that are being returned?
First of all, so long as they are pharmacy, they are our members, we can guarantee no one is going to do that kind of mischief because we want to save the public. So we cannot be the same people who wants to poison them, while actually we want to get poison out of them.
When a drug expires, its chemical composition changes, making it ineffective at best, highly toxic at worst.
Almost all drugs, they are poisons. Poison meaning that's why they're given in small quantities. You'll never hear like even if it's a cough syrup, you're being told to take a whole bottle. Even a single tablet is a very big poison. That's why you find that small tablet, you're told take this one, and you find maybe someone is around 80 or 90 kilos. That means if it was really not it was a safe product, it could be given something you eat big like food, ushibe.
The effect of careless disposal of unused or expired drugs may appear abstract, but in the end, it is costly and life-threatening. Sylvie Chebet, Citizen Live at 9, Nairobi.